And they're off. China Girl looking for the leader. Running by the Willis entry number 1, perhaps lap, and showing speed now the outside is Tala sa Umaga, passing the winning post. China Girl being joined by Tala sa Umaga. Favorite Chanel moving up now to take third. Melody Magic, Let Me Know. And going along for the first turn, China Girl just in front, followed closely by Tala sa Umaga. 2 lengths back, Let Me Know, alongside Favorite Chanel. Alain up now is Melody Magic. 4 lengths back now, Red Hot Water, then followed by Dual's Favorite. Storm Signal moving up now the outside to take 9. Down the half mile they travel. China Girl by some 3. Favorite Chanel moving up to take second. And here comes Melody Magic running by with Tala sa Umaga, Let Me Know. Storm Signal moving up now to take 5th. Inside the last 600, China Girl hanging on with the length leader. Favorite Chanel, Melody Magic. Here comes Storm Signal, Tala sa Umaga, perhaps lap joining them now as they hit the final turn with China Girl hanging on with the length leader, followed by Favorite Chanel on the outside. It's still China Girl, Favorite Chanel, Storm Signal on the outside. It's still China Girl, Storm Signal moves up now, and finally Storm Signal, China Girl. Close, perhaps love, Favorite Chanel, close for 5th and 6th. Number 2, Speed to Riches and Melody Magic.
All right, 12-4.
All right, maraming salamat sa iyo, paring Ira, Commissioner Bobok, and Coach Leo Isaac. Kukunin lang natin itong pagkakataon na ito para pasalamatan na natin muna kagad bago natin tawagin nyo. Hindi, mamaya na tayo magpapasalamat kay Boss Ding. Tatawagin muna natin yung... bigay na natin kagad yung bisikleta dahil hindi pa tapos yung karera, parang nandito na siya kagad. Alam niya, mananalo yung Storm Signal eh. Alright, and the winner of the Chairman Edwin Guillarte Cup is none other than Storm Signal, owned by trained by Mr. Rudy Mendoza, and that Signal, sino po ang magre-represent? Si Steve. Steve, representing Mr. John Ferdinand Mendoza. Steve, liga pare. Ayan, may trophy tayo para sa'yo. Pakibigay na lang kay Mr. Mendoza. Alright, at kukunin natin itong pagkakataon nito, Chairman Edwin Guillarte, for the final words ng ating pakarera. Nag-umpisa tayo ng 2:30. After 6 hours, Boss Ding, nakaraos din.
Muli, nagpapasalamat kami sa pamunuan ng San Lazaro, kay Atty. Boy Reyno, King Reyno, ating kaibigan, Ding Magbo, Miss Cecil, sa aming mga sponsor, kay Vice President Jojo Binay, Mayor Binay, at lahat po ng mga nag-sponsor. Salamat po.
Kukunin ko rin for the first time, i-interview ko yung racing manager, Boss Ding. Ano ba masasabi mo sa ating pakarera ngayon?
More power to sa inyo
Power
lang.
talaga.
Power talaga sa inyo. Sana hindi kayo manawang tangkilikin ng Manila Jockey Club.
At may balita ko, mukhang magkikita-kita tayo ulit sa May. Alright, Baya Karinisa, abangan yan. Manila Horsepower will be coming by once again sometime this year. At ako, kukunin ko na itong pagkakataon na ito ha. Barangay Kasilawan, Ben Alegre, Lito Peña, Benji Rivera at lahat ng mga barkada dyan. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? At si mga kaibigan ko, si Rene Calma at saka si Robert na Malolos, pare, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? At saka yung mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Olongapo, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? At anong sasabihin ng MHP? Alright, Bayang Karinisa, magkikita-kita po tayo muli anytime this year, dito lang sa Manila Jockey Club, dito sa Carmona, Cavite. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. Club 999, Airport Road. Huwag kayong magmamayan na punta kayo doon. Ayan, nandyan mga angels natin. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat, MHP! Back to the battle!